Yamaha doesn't celebrate 70 years by looking back quietly, and the 2026 YZ250F 70th anniversary makes that abundantly clear. This is not a retro-themed exercise or a cosmetic tribute built to please collectors. Instead, Yamaha has delivered a pointed reminder to the motocross world. Heritage means nothing unless it continues to win races. Draped in a striking anniversary livery that nods to Yamaha's racing DNA, the YZ250F 70th anniversary instantly commands attention in the paddock. But beneath the commemorative graphics lies a machine that feels unapologetically modern, engineered with the same ruthless intent as the factory race bikes that dominate starting gates worldwide. Yamaha's message is bold. This is history in motion, not history on display. At its core, the 2026 YZ250F remains one of the most technically refined quarter-liter four-strokes on the market. The reverse head engine configuration continues to deliver razor-sharp throttle response, while updated intake and exhaust tuning sharpen low-to-mid power delivery, exactly where races are won. It's an engine that rewards aggression but never punishes precision, giving skilled riders the confidence to push deeper into corners and harder out of ruts. Chassis balance remains a defining strength. The aluminum bilateral beam frame, paired with KYB's class-leading suspension, delivers surgical front-end feel without sacrificing high-speed stability. Yamaha's continued refinement of rigidity balance pays dividends on rough tracks, where the YZ250F feels planted rather than punished. This isn't just comfort, it's control, and control translates directly to lap times. Electronics further underline Yamaha's competitive mindset. The Power Tuner app allows riders to fine-tune engine maps and traction characteristics with race-day precision, reinforcing the idea that this anniversary model is built for gate drops, not garage floors. The 2026 Yamaha YZ250F 70th anniversary is, ultimately, a statement of intent. Yamaha isn't celebrating the past, it's challenging the present. In a fiercely competitive MX2 landscape, this bike doesn't ask for respect because of its legacy. It demands it because it's fast, focused, and engineered to win. Heritage may be the headline, but performance is the real story.